Eggplant Parmesan is one of the best-selling meals. I'd like to show you a little method that I'm sure you've heard of. It's sweating the eggplant. Okay, now well, first you want to cut the stem off on the top. And you want to cut enough the way you're clearing all the calyx, because you don't want that to be part of you. And so sometimes you're going to have some of the stem a little hard, so you want to cut that off. Now, some people peel their eggplant. I leave the skin on. I like the flavor. I like the taste, and also there's a lot of vitamins in there. So you want to slice it. And when you slice it, you want to make it again as evenly as possible, so everything cooks evenly. Okay. After you slice it, you want to sprinkle a little salt on it. This is called sweating. And why you do this is because it also releases some of the moisture, and it gives it kind of a sweet flavor. Now, the old Italian way is they put it in a colander. Some people put it on leave it on the board and let it sweat that way. I put it in the colander because that's the way I was taught from Grandma. And then you put something heavy on it, a plate, and let it sit there for a while. And you want to put a plate underneath to catch all the moisture, because it will sweat. And you'll see the difference after you do that on the flavor of the eggplant. It makes it kind of sweeter. From here you would go on further, and maybe you want to do an eggplant parmesan, or you may want to do just put it in the oven with a little olive oil and garlic, and just grill it. Put it on the grill or whatever.
We invite you to try our wholesome, homemade Italian meals and join the conversation about fresh ingredients at michelangelos.com.